How you doing, class? My name is Julio Palacios and I will be doing Formal Lab 1. Here are my materials. 5 cups of water, 5 clear cups. I have 1 measuring cup and I have a small measuring cup for 0.25 cups, which I will be using to take out of each solution and moving into the next so I can measure the concentration. And 1 packet of Kool-aid. Today we're going to be doing the letter solution. Kool-aid is going to equal to 12 carbons, 22 hydrogens, and 11 oxygen, which I'm going to go ahead and find the molar mass, which equals 342 molar mass. 1 packet of Kool-aid equals 6.2 grams. And in order for me to find the moles, I'm going to have to multiply 6.2 grams, which is the volume for the Kool-Aid. I'm going to multiply by 1 mole over 342 grams, which is the molar mass. And that's going to give me 0.018129 moles. I'm going to go ahead and pour the 6.2 grams into the clear cup to make my stock solution. I'm going to go ahead and use my measuring cup. All the way to 1 cup. 1 cup of water. I'm going to pour in. I'm going to make sure it's mixed real well. And this is my stock solution. I went ahead and did a mixture and made my stock solution. In order for me to find the concentration of my stock solution, I'm gonna have to go ahead and divide my moles times my volume. My volume is the 1 cup of water, and my moles is the packet of Kool-Aid. And I'm gonna go ahead and divide them. Once I divide them, the stock solution concentration is 0.07663 moles over liters. In order for me to make my second solution, I'm going to go ahead and pour 0.25 cups of my stock solution into my second cup. Go ahead and do that. And pour it. And by the way, 0.25 cups is approximately 0.0591471 liters. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour my cup of water. In order to find the concentrations of my solution 2 and solution 3 and 4, I'm going to have to use the M1V1 equals M2V2 formula. In order to find this for solution 2, I'm going to give you an example. My M1 is always going to be my concentration from the previous solution. And right here we have 0.07663. My volume 1 is going to be the amount that I took off the previous solution, which is 0.0591471 liters, which is a 0.25 cups. My volume 2 is going to be the volume that I pour in, which is 1 cup, and that equals to 0.236588 liters. And I'm going to go ahead and multiply my V1 times V1, and then I'm going to go ahead and divide them by volume 2 in order for M2 to be by itself. I'm going to go ahead and divide them. Once I divide it, my answer is going to give me M2 equals 0.1916 moles over liter. And that's my concentration for solution 2. For my third solution, I'm going to follow the same step that I follow when I did the stock solution to my solution 2. I'm going to go ahead and take out 0.25 cups. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into cup 3. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of water. As we can see, the colors are getting lighter and lighter. Here we have solution 3. We're gonna follow the same steps as in the previous calculation. M1 times V1 equals M2 times V2, with M1 being the concentration from the previous solution. 0.01916. I'm gonna go ahead and multiply by V1, which equals to the amount that I took off the previous solution, which is a quarter cup, 0.591471 liters. And I'm gonna go ahead and divide that by the volume, which I added 1 cup of water, which equals 0.236588 liters, which gives me solution 3 concentration is 0.0479 moles per liter. I'm gonna go ahead and follow the previous step to create a solution 4. I'm gonna go ahead and take 0.25 cups. I'm gonna pour it into the solution 4 cup. I'm gonna go ahead and add the 1 cup of water. As you guys can see, spills happen, so this is not as accurate as the late night labs. So here we go. We can tell that as each step we take, the solution gets lighter and lighter, and our calculation gets smaller and smaller. We're gonna go ahead and do the calculation for the solution 4, which is gonna follow the previous step. I know it gets pretty repetitive, but this is exactly how I did it. M1 times V1 is equal to M2 times V2, with M1 being the concentration from the last solution or previous solution, which is 0.00479 times the amount that I took from the previous solution, which is 0.0591471 liters. And I'm gonna go ahead and divide that by 1 cup, which is equal to 0.236588 liters. My solution 4 concentration is 0.0019 moles per liter. As we can tell, our numbers are getting smaller and smaller. I'm gonna go ahead and follow the same step as the previous. I'm gonna go ahead and take 0.25 cups, pour it into my number 5 cup, and I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of water. And create my solution number 5. And my calculations for solution 5 is going to be the same as the previous. M1 times V1 equals M2 times V2, with M1 being the concentration from my previous formula, which is 0.00119 times the amount that I took of the previous solution, which is 0.059147 liters. I'm going to go ahead and divide that by the volume of 1 cup, which is 0.236588 liters. And my solution 5 concentration is 0.00029 moles over liters. Ooh.